Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. Hopefully this time the video will be much better because the last time, unfortunately, I don't know what I did, but the format came really small and I'm sorry for that. So I'm trying to make it up for you. As I said before, I'm still new to this. You're gonna hear my voice, you're not gonna see my face, but hopefully this time will be better. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Alright guys, so we're gonna draw a wasp, and this version is gonna be basically for beginner. I hope you like it. First of all, every drawing, as I said before, we need to sketch first the shape of what we're gonna draw. As an insect, the wasp has 3 sections to its body. We have the head, we have the middle section, and we have the abdomen, which is the largest shape of the body. I was thinking of doing something like pretty cool if I got 200 subscribers, maybe the 3-color challenge. Like I'll do a drawing and I have to pick 3 random color blindfolded and use only these 3 colors to color the drawing. After we did these 3 shapes of the wasp, we will define each shape that we did first here, and we don't want to forget the stinger. Let's define the shape a little bit. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Now we're gonna draw in this first section here, which is gonna be the head. We're gonna draw the eyes with the antenna. I so hope, I'm praying that this video this time is gonna be better than the one before, that you guys be able to see clearer. Some random lines here, shape. Now we're gonna draw 6 legs, and it's very simple, just a bunch of lines basically. You can draw whatever you want. Basically, I'm putting these like behind 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe the 6th one is, you know, you cannot see because it's behind the biggest part here of the body, which has this stinger. Make sure when you do them, it's not like a straight line. It has like a little bend at the end. The last and final step is to do the wings, and we're gonna add some type of like veining, if you want, to the wings, just to add some details. So let's do the wings. We're still doing with the pencils, you know, in case like we did a little mistake or something, we want to change it, we can do that. Okay, maybe this one has got to be a little pointy. It'll look better. And basically, that's the wasp. Very easy, as you can see, not very complicated. It's fun to do, and all we have to do now is use my favorite pen, which is the fountain pen, and we're gonna go over the picture. Okay, after we're done finishing lining up the drawing, let's add some little detail to the body, so we don't have like just a plain one color, you know, maybe like some stripes. I'm not gonna speed up this one so you can guys just see. You don't have to do the same one, same design. finally at the end, stingers, I'm gonna make it a little bit more pointy. Just color it a little bit darker. That looks dangerous. You want to stay away from this one, trust me. Let me fix some of the lines here. Sometimes if you feel like you need to turn the paper, you can do that. Whatever you feel comfortable with. I think that should be good. I don't want to do the same mistake that I do before, try to correct the line and keep adding, you know, and making the line thicker. I'm just picky. Look what I just did here. That's not good. Okay. That's not good. Just gonna pretend this one didn't happen for some reason. Alright, I'm just gonna wait a little bit, and then next step is to erase the pencil. The first sketching that we did, the guideline, if you want. Sorry for that, guys. See, when I turn the page, I must have, like, there you go, I touch it here and smudge it a little bit. I'll find a way to hide it, or I don't know, like cover it. I don't want to stress about it. So now just gonna wait a little bit. I mean, these pens, they dry real fast. Okay, here we are with the final drawing. As you saw me before, I used a brush, and you know why? If you watch my latest video, you don't want to smudge the paper from the oil on your fingers, your hand. It's much better to use a brush cleaner. The final step that's left is to color the drawing. As a wasp, basically it's gonna be a honey color, the body. So I'm gonna be using some light yellow in the beginning as a base. I'm gonna add some light brown. I'm gonna add some orange, darker brown, to mix it all to come up with a nice honey color, if you want. The wings basically need to be kind of white, transparent, but I don't want to keep it the same color as the paper. For that, I'm gonna use some maybe light blue and gray. The stripe's gonna be black, the eye is gonna be black, the antenna black as well. So are the 6 little feet that we did. So let's color.